In this video, I'll be showing you the best flower crosshair settings in Valorant. First, we have the colored flower crosshair. Start by choosing a color for your flower crosshair. Turn on outlines. Set the opacity to 0.5, thickness to 1. Enable center dot. Set opacity and thickness to 1. Disable both override options. Turn on inner lines. Set opacity to 1, length to 2, thickness to 10, and offset to 2. Turn off the movement and firing error options. Turn on the outer line options. Opacity to 1, length 6, thickness 2, and offset 1. Disable both the movement and firing error options. Next, we have the dot flower crosshair. Set the color as you like. Turn on outlines. Set opacity to 1 and thickness to 1. Enable center dot. Set the opacity to 1 and thickness 2. Disable the override options. Turn on inner lines. Opacity 1, length 1, thickness 6, offset 2. Turn off the error options. Turn on outer lines. Set the opacity to 1, length to 1, thickness to 2, and offset to 3. Turn off the error options. Next, we have a standard flower. Set the color. Enable outlines. Set opacity and thickness to 1. Enable the center dot. Set opacity to 1 and thickness to 1, 2, or 3. Disable the override options. Enable inner lines, then use 1, 3, 1, and 3. Enable outer lines and use 0, 1, 9, and 2. Make sure all movement and firing error options are disabled. You will now have 3 of the best flower crosshair settings in Valorant. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more crosshair and optimization guides.